Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou with excellent weather, allowing crews to work efficiently across the stadium. Extended, uninterrupted construction time is creating ideal conditions for steady progress in multiple sections. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps us grow. Let's dive into today's progress around the stadium. Starting at the south goal area, elevated platforms are active around the staircase and elevator shaft structures. Most structural beams are now installed, though a few upper sections still require additional pieces before full sandwich panel coverage can begin. The right staircase is more advanced, while the left still needs several upper elements. Slat support brackets remain in place from previous weeks, but anchors and connection pieces have not yet been installed on the painted black beams. Workers are visible throughout interior levels, tightening anchors and preparing supports, suggesting this area could be next for slat installation once the corner section is finalized. In the corner, active slat installation is underway. The orange crane is positioning a red slat while crews guide, level, and secure it into place. The lower false ceiling section is now fully covered with slats. Additional slats are staged nearby, and workers are carefully adjusting alignment to ensure precise positioning. Before we continue, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds if you haven't already. It's completely free and helps us bring you these daily construction updates. Now let's move to the tribuna section. At the tribuna area, workers are active across scaffolding and elevator shaft frameworks. Structural beams appear fully installed, preparing for expanded sandwich panel work. Elevated platforms operate across multiple levels, with crews working between beams and cantilevered sections. The diamond cafeteria structure shows limited glazing changes, with corner panels and 3 panels above the entrance doors still missing. Exposed rebar remains visible on one wall awaiting concrete work. At the second diamond structure, previously staged glass panels are being removed by a crane-equipped truck. Meanwhile, workers are installing rock wool insulation above entrance doors, with trim covers added on completed sections. In the north goal corner, trim assemblies and insulation are being installed across rear openings. Workers are securing supports, tightening bolts, and preparing anchors before slat installation begins. Elevated platforms are active in central sections. That's today's update from Camp Nou. Strong progress on corner slat installation, insulation work at the diamond structures, active concrete pouring, and key structural components staged for lifting. Thank you for watching MegaVerse Builds. Subscribe for daily updates and hit that like button. See you tomorrow with another construction progress report.